What do you want me to do for you? What do you want me to do for you? Adrian, what do you want me to do?
I want to pause the movie
Why?
because
Why?
I like when Boo goes on the doors.
Where are you going?
Wait for it.
What did you do?
Wait for
Wait,
it
what
and-
Ew. You're disgusting. What did you do to me?
Huh?
What did you do to me? No, you said something and then you said that I have to put on the movie for you because you did what?
Because I kissed your boo boo.
You what?
Because I kissed your boo boo.
Wait, come here. Come here. What did you do to me?
I kissed your boo boo.
What's a boo-boo?
A boo boo.
What's a...
A boo boo is something when you get hurt.
What does mine look like?
Huh?
What does mine look like?
It looks like a big rock.
A rock?
Because rocks have big bumps like this.
It's a rock?
Uh-huh.
What'd you do? What'd you do to me?
I kissed your boo boo.